Here we are again at the old blacksmith shop in New Haven, Missouri. What I'm going to be doing today is taking off some of the siding from the back of the building and moving it around to the front of the building where I need it for different places where the siding is just rotted out completely. So I'm going to be taking off from here, moving around the other side. So here we go. I have a couple screw heads that are stripped off, so I need to use my little multi-tool to cut off the screws so I can get off the siding. One piece off.
So this is the back where you're
Yep.
taking your siding off, and then this is the old chapel siding.
Since the siding is not made anymore, since it stopped producing in about 1910, I've had to take it off the back of the building and I'm moving it around to the sides and the front where I can patch it in.
Wow.
Then I'm going to take some old siding from a old church that was taken down, or some siding from an old church that was taken down recently, and we use that siding and put up here to cover all these holes and get it all patched up on the back with that type of siding.
Look at you.
Here I am back at the blacksmith shop, fixing up the back of the building where I've taken off some old siding, and I'm putting in the replacement from an old church that was siding was taken off of recently, and rather than taking it to the dump and throwing it away, I'm going to recycle it and put it on the back of the building here. Now I'm focusing in on this particular nail right here because what I'm going to do is use that as a helper to help me do a long span of siding and to hold it up, because it's kind of difficult to do if you're by yourself with one person. And I just wanted to show you that nail that was in there, and now I'm going to go ahead and get this thing nailed on and or screwed on, excuse me, and go from there. So here we go. There's that end. Well, here it is. I've got the back of the building covered now with the old church siding that was taken off, and I got the holes covered up here, so it's in pretty good shape now. I think I can run the water off of it. Thanks. Bye-bye.